schedules to doctors under my clinic. Once you have defined a service and created a schedule for a doctor, go to the Services tab beside the Schedules tab. Click New Service. Select a service from the ones you have defined in the MC Portal. Select a schedule from the ones you have specified for the doctor. Click Save. Upon clicking Save, you will see a notification on the upper right corner of the page that you have successfully created a service for that specific doctor. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial video helpful and informative. Check out our other video guides in SeeYouDoc's social media accounts. If you have any questions, you may reach us through support@seeyoudoc.com.